booze and the plans they made put an end to you. Walking out this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I'd always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. Just gotta hate this through another day. Yeah, my body is aching and my time is at hand. I don't think I'll make it any other way. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I'd always thought I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind to an easy time, my back towards to the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows it'll turn your head around. Well, there's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I'd always thought I'd see you again. I thought I'd see you one more time. Alright, thank you so much.
Hello everybody, welcome to Park Ave Festival, Somerton Stage. Right now, we're putting on a little show, and it's going to be Camp Rockstar. Elvio Fernandez is a local guy. I'm sure some of you have heard of him. He's actually out touring with Chris Daughtry right now, so we're kind of taking over for him. And we brought the kids here to perform for you. So it's Elvio's Camp Rockstar, and this is Cole Scotty. I'm sorry, Cooper Scotty. I know, Cooper. Cooper Scotty. And enjoy.
Most people call me Copper, so it's better than that. Yeah, Copper. Next up, Copper Scotty. Sorry, one sec. It's very hot outside, so I just got to turn it. I'm not making excuses, but